Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's world, bringing you the news that matters. And today, yes, this news, it matters. All right, you all, we got some updated Samsung news to give to you, and this one is going to be about the Galaxy Watch Active 2. Now, whereas we thought that this was going to get released alongside of the Galaxy Note 10, that is not the case. What we come to find out is that this smartwatch will get released on August 5th alongside of the Galaxy Tab 6. Now, Samsung has already sent out a teaser to give us a glimpse of what we're going to see at the event. So make sure you guys save the date if you want to see up close and personal what this watch is going to actually look like. Now, looking at some of the leaked photos, this smartwatch looks exactly like the original Galaxy Watch Active. But again, we can only wait and see. But we're also going to get a special edition of the Galaxy Watch Active 2, which is going to be a Under Armour edition of this smartwatch. Now, it may entail certain features and functions so far as fitness is concerned, but we will not be able to see anything until the event takes place. Now, here's the biggest news of the day. Now, Samsung is already being accused of copying Apple's watch faces, and as you can look at the photos, they pretty much look similar. So I don't know if a lawsuit is in order, but we know this is what Apple does. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this quick video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.